December 2016.
Okay, Sunday. This 10-year-old, no, this terrapin is
20.
20 years old, female terrapin, female because the claws are short, has a complaint of sneezing, like that. And now, of course, you can't hear you. And this sneezing, but there's no respiratory distress. You can see no gasping. So now to examine the terrapin, it is proposed that you hold behind the ears, and they come out first, and you hold behind the ears, and you can even medicate it. But of course, it's not easy to hold behind the ears. See there, and then you medicate it, especially the big ones. Okay, hold behind the ears and open his mouth. You see there. Check the mouth. Anything inside? It's all. Did you manage to get it? Get the internal. Is it ulcers there? Is it ulcers? Check and see, because there's only way to check. This one it does bite, of course. Any ulcers? The tongue? Somewhere you can see tongue ulcers. Okay, now it's just stretch the hole like that. And you can examine the mouth is a bit inflamed. You can see that it's inflamed and dry. Other than that, there is no respiratory infection. So this is how you give medication. Just give a drop. You see, you know how to do it this way. Okay. So, okay, finish.